In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP LaserJet 4050 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet 4050 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results will come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet 4050 printer series. Go ahead and open up that link, and then select the support category. This is software and drivers, and then scroll down and select underneath the driver universal print driver. Select the universal print driver for Windows and the download option for that. Once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file, and then there should be an item in here if you go through this folder that says install. Go ahead and double click on it to run it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then you want to proceed with the on-screen instructions and configure your printer based on your preferences, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.